Hi, this is Proco Computer Repairs, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a basic overview of what a VPN is and what you would need it for. A VPN would stand for Virtual Private Network, and it would be used to have a secure connection to the internet. And to show an example of that, I'm going to open up Microsoft Edge. You can use the browser of your choice. I'm also going to be using Google Search. And what I'll be typing in is, what is my IP address? And we're going to use the first link, which is whatismyipaddress.com. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And we're going to look at the IPv4 number. So this would be your actual ISP address that they allocated to you. And that means that this would be the address that you would use to communicate over the internet. If you were to go to command prompt in Windows and type in ipconfig, it would give you information more similar to this, which would be your internal network address. So all the devices that are probably connected to your router, if it's a Windows computer, if you do ipconfig on that system and command prompt, it would probably have a 192.168.1 address. And this is just an example. Mine is 192.168.1.4. But when you communicate over the internet, it would translate into the ISP address that you see here. And that address has information associated with it, like your ISP, your city, your region, and also your country. So if you click on your IP address here, it takes you to another page with more information on it, and you'll see continent, country, your state, region, your city, and even your latitude and longitude listed here, which narrows in on your location. And most people would rather have this, kind of information hidden while using the internet, and a VPN would be able to do that for you. So I'm actually connected to a VPN right now, so this is not my actual information. I'm in the United States. I'm not in the United Kingdom. But since I'm using a VPN and the server that I'm using is in the United Kingdom, it shows that as the result when it looks up this IP address. So that being said, it hides your location and also your IP address. So this would not be my actual IP, and this would not be my actual location. So essentially that's what a VPN server or VPN is able to do. It allows you to connect your PC, your smartphone, or even your tablet to a VPN server. And it allows you to hide behind its connection. So in my case, I connected to a server that's in the United Kingdom, and I'm in the United States. But when I go on the internet to search, information about my connection, it's showing as the VPN server's connection. So it's saying that I'm in the United Kingdom. And just to bring it up really quick, so I actually use NordVPN, and this is the location that I'm connected to. It's just like a general location. I click on it, and then it connects to a server in that region. So if I were to change this to Portugal or Spain, Italy, or back to the United States, whenever I refresh this, it would update. So it would show that I'm in Italy. It would show that I'm in the United States if I were to switch back. And as a tip, if you have a streaming service like Netflix or Hulu, they do have region restrictions on shows and movies. So if you wanted to, see if you can access a certain show that's in a different region or that's region locked, if you use a VPN, you can actually get around that. So you would be able to connect to a server in Europe to get the shows that are region locked to Europe and that are not accessible if you're on on a US based connection. All right, so at this point you may be asking yourself, why would you need a VPN? So basically it would protect you against hackers or anyone who's trying to spy on you, be it your internet service provider or just an individual. Or if you just wanted to hide your browsing or search activity from your ISP, a VPN would be something that you would probably want to look into. And lastly, for those of you who do not know, VPNs can affect your speed. So if you have like gigabit service, or if you have just, rather fast service in general, when you connect to a VPN server, it will definitely affect your speed. So you won't be getting that gigabit connection that you think you'll be getting, or that, in general, fast connection that you have. So in my case, I have a gigabit connection, and when I connect to a VPN, my speeds drop. So instead of me getting that 900 megabits per second, it's more of 200, but that's only if I'm in the United States. If you connect to anywhere outside of the United States, like to Europe or Asia, it gets even lower than that. So expect a drop in speed if you connect to a server. So if that's something that you're looking to have, even while you have a VPN connection, you may want to stay close, because if you go far away from where you're located, that will definitely affect the speeds that you're getting. Alright, if you guys stuck this far throughout the video, I really appreciate it. And if you found this video to be helpful, please leave a like below. If you did not, please leave a comment. And if you want to see future videos, please hit the subscribe button below. And thank you guys, and you have a good one. Take care.